Hi guys, so I just wanted to do an unboxing of a panel I just received from Artefex, and it's for a painting that I'm going to be getting started soon. I love their ACM panels. I like to get mine unprimed, so because I like to prime it myself, so I'm going to unveil it or open it up as smoothly as possible. Big old panel. Lay this here and move the box out of the way. You can see the Artefex stickers. We love these stickers. We have them all over our easels. So Artefex, they package these so well, so it always takes a little bit to open them. I can show you guys the panel that I will be getting a new painting started. I'm so excited to start priming this later on today. I'm also passing on to Artefex a PDF of how to prep aluminum panel and how I prep aluminum panel. And so you guys can go on their website to see how I prep their aluminum panels. And so it comes like this. This is unprimed. It's just plain white with just a finish on it, a smooth finish. So I will sand it and prime it with gray gesso, and I look forward to sharing the painting when it's ready. So you guys can see Artefex ACM panel. All right, thanks guys.